Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back in my vanity today, and I spend a lot of time in my vanity, as you guys can tell from all of my videos. So when Temu had a campaign all about replenishing my vanity needs, from makeup to supplies that I needed, I knew that this was something that I had to share with you. If you don't know what Temu is, it is an online platform. They have an amazing app that is super user-friendly, and it's an online marketplace. Anything under the sun you can probably think of, you can purchase from Temu. It is straight from the source, and guys, it is fantastic. I was someone that never really played cell phone games before, and I have become addicted to Fishland with going ahead and feeding my fishes. It's so much fun. Temu is something that I have just fallen in love with. I know you guys have seen my first haul that I did for my daughter with kawaii items. I've also done kind of like an accessory and jewelry haul. And now we're replenishing all the items from my vanity needs. So let's hop right on in. I'm going to be taking some clips. I will go ahead and while I edit, I'll put in the prices, but you'll find everything down below in my description box of links and prices to all the items. And if you check it out, and if you're a new user, you can also get some coupons. I think it's like $100 worth of coupons that you can get. And then there's plus some other codes down there below for you to go ahead and check out from Temu. I'm so excited to share with you. Let's hop right on in, guys. So, as you guys know, usually I have a whole bunch of makeup brushes back here, but it has been quite a while since I replenished my makeup brushes. So I picked up a lot from the campaign, and I'm super excited to share them with you. So here is the first set. I'm gonna just hold this kind of like in my lap, I guess. This is the first set of makeup brushes. And this was a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's like 12 brushes, guys. And these look super soft. I got them in just kind of a gray. So let's open these up together. They have a lot of different styles in this pack, so I was kind of excited about that. There is like, they're super, super soft. There's some for doing like your eye makeup. Whoops. Like blush, foundation, highlighters, things that you can use for like eyeliner and lip pencils and eyeshadow and like concealer. These all look fantastic. I'm really excited to kind of get these cleaned a little bit so that I can start using them, but they are super pretty, really strong, like tips, really good quality. So I'm impressed with their brushes so far. These look fantastic. So the next item that I got to replenish my vanity, I needed kind of like a new cleaning mat for my brushes for when I clean my makeup brushes. So I chose hot pink because you guys know it's one of my favorite colors. And this is really neat. It just suction cups down like into your sink. And then it has all the different kind of like textures that you would need to scrub your brushes with. And I'll have the price listed as well as in the description box as well. But super good to use. I've never had one that had like the suction cups down on it. So I'm excited for that. That's gonna help so much, you guys. So this next item, I needed to restock and replenish on some like mascaras. The box came in like this. I thought this was so pretty though. It is called the Starry Sky Thick and Long Mascara, and it looks like it's from Sky V. But this is why I got it. How stunning is that? How beautiful is that, guys? That is so pretty. Let's see what it's like. Yeah, it doesn't smell bad. It smells great. The wand is really nice. It's just the type of wand that I like. But, I mean, that's stunning. That is so pretty. I am so excited about that mascara. And guys, it's so pretty on my vanity. So that was one of the mascaras that I got from this haul. So the next item I picked up was, this is a professional foundation brush. So it just was in a box like that. This one is white. And it is their 51154, and it's kind of like a stiffer top, kind of like flat Kabuki brush. Super excited for that one. I needed a new one. And I will have the price as well listed. So I'm excited about that one. So the next item I picked out was a new concealer brush. So I picked this one. Get that packaging open. This one looks really good for a concealer brush. This came in kind of like a pale pink nude color. Has like a little tip right here. I'm not sure, that might be damage to the brush, but to the holder, but I really like this part. That's really nice for a concealer brush. So I'm excited about that one too. So the next item I picked up, I think this is another mascara. Let me open up this one. Try to make sure everything doesn't fall off my lap, guys. Okay, so this is actually an eyeshadow stick. This one is in number 10. And let's see if I can get it out of the package. There we go. Oh, and now it comes wrapped too. Well, let me see. This is from Langmani, and it's their number 10. Let's see if I can get it opened up. So this is the number 10 eyeshadow stick, and it's in kind of like a bronze shade. And let's do a swatch. Ooh, that is creamy. And then it is just kind of bronze. I didn't do that well, but it's a really pretty bronze shade. So that's the eyeshadow stick. I like that one a lot, actually. That's really pretty. So the next item in replenishing my vanity in this beauty campaign that they had, I picked out, I believe this is a lip gloss. Let me get into here. Oh wow, this is really pretty. So this is it just says lip gloss, addictive lips. What does that say? I can't read it, but it looks like a really pretty color. Oh, look, it's like that. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty color. So that was the lip gloss. So the next thing I picked out of the campaign were some really stunning, really pretty glitter makeup brushes. These are so pretty. These are more like for like your eye and like highlighters and your lips. They are so pretty. They are so pretty. And you guys, I am such a girly girl, so I love all things with glitter. This was a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes in the like kind of glitter with like peach tips. They're really, really, really pretty. I love those. So the next thing that I picked out of the campaign, I needed a new like sponge in a set. So I had some of these. I like this carrying case. And then this actually came with like a beauty sponge, which is really nice. I really like this one. This is really pretty. So it had the beauty sponge, and then I think these are brushes as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so pretty. So these are purple brushes. Whoops. Eyes, lips, foundation, blush. These are super, super soft, but really, really pretty. And I love how purple they are. I love that. These are going to be great. So these are the brushes from the set. So I know, guys, I got a lot of makeup brushes this time. So the next thing in the campaign that I picked out was this lip kit, and let's open it up together. So this is the Hendayen, and it's the matte liquid lipstick. I apologize if I am mispronouncing the name of the company. And I, of course, picked out like the red shades. They are so pretty. All different colors from like, you know, more neutrals to kind of like browns and some red in there. Really, really, really pretty. I'm excited for this. So another item I picked up was this combo foundation brush and sponge. And of course I got purple, you guys. And I was so excited about this one. Let me see if I can get it open. Because I have seen some of these before, but I wanted to see what it would be like. So this is the sponge tip, and then you have the brush tip as well. And it's really pretty. And I'll have the price listed as well. So I like that too. Moving on. And then the last item in the campaign, I picked another set of foundation brushes just because I really wanted to have enough. These are all individually wrapped as well, but this is like your contour. They're really pretty. This one's really good quality. They have a little bit just from, but super nice. I'm excited about these as well. So a lot of makeup brushes, I know, guys, but I'm really excited about all the different supplies. Definitely check out Temu when you're trying to kind of like update or kind of replenish some of your beauty tools that you need. I think you're gonna fall in love with them. Bye, guys. So I found just a couple of more items, and there are a couple of different brushes that were in the bag too. I love these, you guys. These are really good quality, so I'm really excited about them. So there we go, guys. I got some different eyeshadow sticks, some lip glosses, some matte lips, some mascara, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 different set of makeup brushes, and of course a mat to go ahead and to clean them all with as well. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you love Temu as much as I do. Bye, friends.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.